G'day guys, welcome back to another PC build. I hope you all enjoyed that time lapse there. This week's PC, we have gone for a more premium looking PC, a nice clean custom water cooling loop with some minor modifications to the case to be able to fit a full ATX size motherboard inside of a case that is designed for a micro ATX. Firstly, I'd like to say a massive thank you to Asus, BitsPower, XPG, Cougar, and BitsPower again, because look at that water cooling gear. So this PC will be on display at PAX Australia at the Cougar booth. So if you guys do head out to PAX Australia, then be sure to visit the Cougar booth. You'll see this on display. It will have its tempered glass window on though, so you'll be able to see it behind the glass. Just for filming purposes and everything, we leave the tempered glass off because it creates a lot of reflection. So these tubes here, they're all metal. It's all nickel plated metal. So that's why it's got a nice shine to it. Unfortunately, there is one tube up the top, which we didn't have the fittings for, like a 30-degree angle to get that bend. So we did just paint a bit of acrylic on that one tube up there, but it is pretty much out of sight. So it's not too visible. And we tried to get it to look as much as we could realistic to these tubes here. Now we are running the GPU in a parallel loop, so it goes through the GPU and also down through these flow meters here. And I was very interested to see what the flow rate would be like with this type of loop, but as you can see, they are spinning quite fast, so it's still getting all of that flow, which is really good to see. There is actually 64 gigs of XPG RAM in here, so there's plenty of RAM. I actually thought there was going to be 32 gigs, but 64 gigs. So ADATA XPG went out of their way to help us out massively. So personally, with this PC, we actually like the look of the white fans and as well as the RGB. We've got the RGB on the Asus motherboard and the RAM. So we ended up just setting the fans to RGB. It looks actually really nice reflecting off of these metal tubes, and of course with the front panel off as well. There is an 8th generation CPU in here, and of course we do have the Asus Strix GTX 1070 Ti fully water cooled. Anyway, that's pretty much it from me, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn the notifications on by clicking the bell icon. I'll leave all specs in the description, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out more videos just like this one. Lots of custom PCs, reviews, modding tutorials, and of course, water cooling guides. And we'll see you guys next week for another PC build.